So I've made a decision. We can't see anything. These are a little low, but they're not a whole, like this piece of wood low. So, and then the same for over here. You know, what is about that size is the siding material that I got to go on top of the floor. So I've decided I am going to take the brand new saw, not the circular saw. We've returned that. Harbor Freight is fantastic. Love you guys. The brand new Jigsaw, and just cut a strip of that, and we're gonna fill in that gap. Now might be the time to admit that I don't know how to put this saw inside, this blade inside this saw. We already messed up. Crisis averted. How to insert a blade? Where are you? It literally just says inspect the saw blade and replace. Like, do you just stick it in? I think I have it. Thank you for reminding me that you're not stable. I'm stalling because I'm worried that I'm doing something wrong. Like I have this on, like the blade in backwards or something. Christina! Fell out. What's going on, I might have it this time. I'm using a saw! It took me this long to make it work. The blade kept popping out. I'm so excited right now. Like, it's 6 times the blade popped out. And I'm like, I read the instructions. Like, there's not even instructions on how to insert the blade, which means you just put it in. Like, there's no, you watch 3 YouTube videos, you just put it in. Like, there's no explanation for why it should be this hard. Yes. And I didn't, like, nothing exploded in my face. I put the glasses on just in case. The only thing I got, man. Wait, of course. Okay, so my cut is no good. That was a good practice. Start over. This did not work out. Now we know. And we have someplace. There's a way. So now we know how to use a jigsaw. That's great news. We've got several pieces like this. It's much closer. It's definitely not going to be level from up here to down here, but it is a much smoother transition right there, which is what I was looking for. So I feel good about that. The plan is to permanently attach this and over there, but to leave this able to lift. What did we learn? Also, of course I know how to tell how much of this is left. It's how much of this is left. I said that before and felt real embarrassed. It always comes like a little bit more than you want it to. Things are feeling more level. There's nothing to be nervous about because there's nothing that can't be undone. I just want this fruit. No. All my plans are coming undone. Oh. I really just want to eat this fruit. feel like we're gonna start with this one because we have to start somewhere. And this is where we're going to start. I mean, there could not be a less comfortable place. We need to decide on a screw size. I don't want it to hit the van, you know? Put your hot ass in there. It legitimately took me maybe 15 minutes to figure out how to put the drill bit inside here because I couldn't, it takes so many rotations to lock and unlock it. I didn't believe. I thought it was gonna be like a twist click kind of a situation. So I thought it was broken. Am I supposed to wear glasses when you drill? Maybe I should. Do drill bits break? Oh well, I guess. Okay, so I might just, I need to know when to stop because I'm stripping everything. So that's a point of growth for me. It would be more efficient to like do it like that, but I'm gonna go back and forth, I think. Holy shit. Dang. Okay. Yes! I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can see anything at all, but imperfection is part of the fun of life, and we're just gonna roll with it. I love this. I'm legitimately having so much fun. I was about to say I don't know why this can't be my job, and I guess that I know why it can't be my job, and that's because I'm not good at it, or I should say I'm not practiced at it. And I don't know that there's a huge market for it, but I sure do enjoy it. I felt that go through. Not through the van, but I felt it go through all the wood. Come on. Ha! Yes! It was the first one that went in the way it was supposed to. Yes! I just know how to do it now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am pleased. I'm pleased with myself and with this. Like, this is part of a floor. If it had a cover on it, I could lay on it. All right, we'll do it. Let's do it. It's happening. You're not done yet, friend. Okay, so these are popping up some, but I think that's okay. Snap, that's okay too. Those are my work noises that I make all the time. That's how you know that things are going well. I'm not sure why I'm doing this, but I feel like I should. It didn't feel necessary for any of the other ones, but it does here. Always forget. Always forget. I'm going to put a tiny bit of the adhesive underneath. See, do I know myself or what? That's why I needed to draw the lines. Didn't know why, but I knew I would. This is too big. That's awfully big. I mean, so far so good. What do you do when that happens? We'll come back to that one, because I think that I'm just gonna drill a different hole and try again. We're gonna switch to longer screws. Are we? Yeah. We tried and it didn't work. That's okay. It's okay to try something and it not work. It sure does go through. Maybe I don't need to drill a new hole because I have a bigger screw. Ha! Smarter, not harder, bitches. I feel great about this. A couple of these need to be trimmed, so I'm gonna mark those. Safety first. That makes me so happy. That would have taken so long. I'm gonna put pretty sure for no reason at all. The whole thing will be cut in half, which will allow me to lift it independently, 1/2 at a time. Water can go in that side. This area here is going to be a basin to spray off little showers, either right here or right here is going to be some kind of a sink. But this is making me happy. It's not level, but it's a relatively smooth transition, and I did it, and I'm happy with it. See what happens if we try to fit the party plank on top of it. We do need this cut in half. We remember how the last long cut went, but I did get to practice on this, so we're gonna try again. Confident? Oh my gosh, there's a little line here. There's definitely a little marker that tells you where you're cutting. Helpful. We can do it. Beautiful day. Birds are singing. There's trees everywhere. You know how to use it. I'm so excited. I cut like that big old piece of wood so straight, and I couldn't make this blade go in earlier. I mean, we're getting somewhere. We're not perfect. No one ever said we were going to be. And maybe I should make that a little bit more perfect, only because of the way things are going to work. And look at the way everything is fine. This is a floor that I built. I need to cut here, here, and here, but I want to keep the end of the floor intact, I believe. Advanced, I believe I'm going to drill to make a hole for the saw to go into and connect the dots of the saw. That's what I'm gonna try. You guys can't see me. That's the light we're living in. But we are taking advantage of the fact that we have an outlet for this saw. I am going to make holes in this wood where I believe there are holes underneath. Oh shoot. Maybe the middle one goes all the way out, because I don't want, it's okay if there's negative space, it's okay if I drill holes, because these are just gonna be open for the cats to go in and out of. But this isn't gonna be open, I want this to close. So I am just gonna cut this straight line all the way through. There's something underneath it, so that's fine. Oh, come on now. Saw. Oh, am I supposed to be able to tighten you? That would make it easier, wouldn't it? Woo! Oh. Are you good? No one saw that. I don't know how to do this last cut. I was trying to avoid doing this, but I'm just gonna do it because I'm trying to be done.